Hey Val, so this is your website. Looking at it, looks like a pretty nice website. One thing I noticed, you only have 733 words of content on there, which it's not too bad. The more content you have, the better, though. Um, it just helps. Google loves content. It gives you more opportunity for keywords for Google to find, as well as Google loves content, and it helps you rank. You want to make sure you don't. You want to make sure you have organic keywords in there. You don't want to have you don't want to spam keywords in there because Google knows it's called content or keyword stuffing, and Google will dock you for that. But you want to make sure you have a fair amount of content with keywords organically in there. Next thing is let's look at this image you have. You want this to be saved with a keyword, so you'd want roof repair Minneapolis, or roofers Minneapolis roofing. Whatever keyword you want to rank for, you'd want to have your images saved as. It just Google doesn't see what the image is. It just sees it's an image and it sees what it's saved as. So it's just a missed opportunity if you don't save your images with keywords. Let's go check out Google doing roof repair Minneapolis. There's the GMB is first. I have an ad blocker, so you don't see these ads, but ads would come up here. I'm sure there's a whole bunch. But I just use an ad blocker because I don't really care to see that stuff right now. But then let's take this top guy. Looking at him, this is a back page, but he has a lot of content on here, and he's ranking decent for this back page. Obviously, he's ranking pretty good. He has 1,515 words on there, so you'd want to beat that and beat him with content. He doesn't save his images right. So he's missing that opportunity, but you don't have to miss that. You can go fix that on your website and then have an advantage over him when it comes to that. Let's go type you guys into Ahrefs and see what's going on here. You actually have a very, very nice 30 and 30. You actually want these to be as close as you can to each other, so this is actually a very good. And those are pretty good numbers too. You have 170 referring domains and 1,630 backlinks, and you got 244 keywords you're ranking for. I think if you had more content, you'd be ranking for a lot more. The more content you have, it gives you more keywords that Google finds. And you get 116 people to your website a month. It looks like you dropped down quite a bit since last month. It looks like you also have paid for Google Ads. I can actually see what keywords you went for. Yeah, it looks like he went after these ones. Obviously this was the most expensive one, $30 a click. Then there's 219s. These ones, you could have done $1. So these are pretty good keywords to go for. But yeah, this is a national keyword, and that's a national keyword. So you don't want that. You want to go for location specific. I just got sidetracked. Sorry about that. Let's go look at your keywords that you're ranking for. Roofing companies MN. So that's statewide. So it's decent, but it's not, because you're down in the cities where there's a lot more people, and the majority of the people in Minnesota are in the cities. So that you'll get, maybe, you'll get some of this, maybe half. I don't remember exactly the percentage of Minnesota, but you might roughly get half of that, and you get 27 people that visit your website a month, and you rank number 2. So that's probably a moneymaker keyword right there. Roofing company Minneapolis, 150 people search that. 26 KD. So that's a harder one to rank for. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. The higher, obviously, it's going to take a lot longer. So that one's pretty high. But you are ranking on the first page for that. You've actually gone up 25 spots. So that's good. You probably, looks like you're going after that keyword, I would guess. And you get 5 people a month from that keyword. We can come down and see what other ones you're ranking for as well. And we could also see what the cost per click is and go after the the cheaper ones if you want to do Google Ads. Is bathroom remodeling. Here's one that's pretty easy to rank for. It's 4KD, 150. But sorry, that's MN based, so it's not. It's not. Here we go. Minneapolis bathroom remodeling. There we go. 80 and 6 KD. So that would be a good one to go after. You can find the ones that you like. Maple Grove, here's a nice one. Roofing Contractors, Maple Grove, MN. 100 volume, 0 KD. People are paying $55 a click for Google Ads there versus Roofing Maple Grove, MN. So if you did that one, you could pay $1 versus $55. So it's good to come in here and before you do Google Ads and go for the best the best money for your click. Like maybe this one's better quality clients, but you can get 55 of them from that. You can get 55 clicks. You might not get the best ones, but you're gonna get probably more than you would for this one. And there's 150 people search this one versus 100. But best thing to do would be go after just rank for it organically because it's 0 KD. You could get that super fast. So I'd put those on your website for sure and go after them. And you already have them on your website because that was your keywords. But looking at this guy, he doesn't have that good of UR. His DR is okay, but he has a lot of backlinks and referring domains, and he got a lot of organic keywords. He has a lot of content on his website, so that's why he gets so many keywords. Going in here, he looks like chimney repair, Minneapolis. That's his moneymaker right there. Nice dam removal. 150 people search that a month, 3 KD. So if you wanted chimney repair, you could go after that and beat him. 3 KD, very easy. I got to repair Minneapolis, 0 KD, easy. But yeah, you can come in here and find gutters Minneapolis, metal roofing Minneapolis. There's a whole bunch of them. Gutter installation Minneapolis, 60 and 1. But yeah, you can come and find the ones you want. Copper gutters MN. Oh, that's a that might be one worth going after. I mean, copper gutters. You can travel for that one. But there's not many people that search that. But it is 0 KD. I don't know if you want to do copper gutters or not. But yeah, you can find the ones that you want and go after them. Next thing I'm going to talk about would be the GMB. So let's go here. You guys have a GMB. I saw it. You want to make sure you set it up 100%. I don't know I believe you did. You also want to have as many photos as you can. The more photos, the better. The photos are the content. And you want them also to be saved, with keywords when you upload them. The next thing would be citations. Citations are just directories. You want to make sure your name on your GMB as well as the directory are the same, the phone number and the location, and then you can get a citation from that. Let's go in here and find the citations. So you have 39 citations, where this guy, he has 55. You're in, your location's a little different. His is Minneapolis, yours is SEO. But citate directories are, Yellow Pages, Yelp, White Pages. You can get them from Pinterest, Facebook, basically anywhere that you can post your name and your phone number and location can get you a citation. There's a whole bunch of them out there. You can Google for them. It's time consuming getting them, but it's something you can definitely do. And then you can start ranking your Google My Business. You could also set up a new GMB over in Minneapolis. You could go for St. Paul too. You could go, have multiple GMBs and rank those as well and get citations for them. Or you can just stick to SEO. Anyways, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. If you want, we can talk more. If not, I hope this helps you. I would appreciate some feedback on this video. So yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your night though, and a good rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.